What you need to do is be thankful for the life you got, you know what I'm saying? Stop looking at what you ain't got, start being thankful for what you do got. Let's get it to him, baby girl. Hey!
That's right. Fancy cars, and then you see they're gonna go far, 'cause everyone knows who you are. So live your life. You steady chasing that big car, just live your life. Ain't got no time for no haters, just live your life. Don't tell them where it'll take ya, just live your life. Cause I'm a paper chaser, just living my life. My life, my life, my life.
Came holding behind my ass. What is? Hey, I'm Superman. You understand? I'm Superman.
This makes sense for the street.
T-Pain, motherfucker.
Listen.
Look up in the sky, I see niggas selling birds on the plane. He ain't never heard of the pain. I'm the new superhero of the brand new A's. Brand new Benz, brand new Chevrolet. And a bitch yellow, red, blue. So nigga, I ain't never scared of you. Somebody better tell these niggas how I do it. If it ever come to it, I'ma run right through it. I'm the ready nigga if you really need help. Everybody in the street say he feeling himself, but I'm saving their world. And I can only say one person at a time, so I'm saving their girl. And I'ma make a fly, maybe wave high. Hop up in the truck, now maybe wave by. Or we can go and get some of your friends in the van. I can do that shit, cause I'm Superman.